I don't know about you, but I am so curious about these meal kit delivery services. So I went ahead and got one. So this video will be the unboxing of my Goodfood box. Stay tuned and we'll look what's inside. Culture Eater, hope you are doing great today. So yeah, I went ahead and got this Goodfood meal delivery service. So it's a meal kit and it comes in a box and it apparently has every single possible ingredient that you need for the package that you ordered. I'm alone, so I got the minimum amount that I could get, and that was 3 recipes, 2 portions. So there's 6 dinners in this box. This is supposed to be Canada's #1 meal kit delivery service, Goodfood. And yeah, I had a rebate for $60 for my first 2 weeks. Normally this box would be $65 Canadian, but I got it for $35. This video we will be covering only the unboxing, so make sure to check my follow-up video that will come soon, where I'm going to show you the preparation of the recipes and tell you what I think about it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel right now so you don't miss that video to come or any other videos here on CulturEatz. Let's take a look at what is inside the box. I have not opened it yet at all. While I open it, let me tell you who this is probably ideal for. If you work very late hours and you don't have time to cook properly, or maybe you don't have time to go grocery shopping, it could be ideal for you. Or if you don't really know how to cook healthy meals, it could help you, inspire you at first to choose the right meal and how to build a menu. Or if you're used to eating out all the time and you want to start eating better or save money, this could be a great option. All right, so first we have an introduction letter to the service, and then you get a nice glossy paper sheet of your recipes. It comes with everything that should be in the box. Nice picture of it. It tells you how long it's going to take to prepare, how many servings, how many calories per servings. In the back, you get a lot of pictures of every step of the preparation. So if you're not familiar with how to cook, which is not my case, this could be really ideal for you. And yeah, so yeah, about the delivery, you can pick the day that it's delivered, and if you're not home, they will leave it on your doorstep, and it's okay to be there for like about 6 hours before you get home. It's all like insulated to stay fresh. It's a lot of packaging. Apparently it's all recyclable, but yeah, it's quite a bit of packaging. Okay, so it looks like I have 3 meals. So I have 3 bags, and here below we have our meats. They are next to these cooling pouches, so they're still quite fresh and cold. Mine got delivered at 10:30 this morning, but then a friend came over, so I'm only unboxing now around 2 p.m. and everything is still really cold and well protected. Yes, these meals apparently come out to about $10 a portion if you're curious about the individual meal prices, and they try to locally source the ingredients and to have them as farm fresh as possible. There's no obligations to always stay registered with this subscription box. You can skip weeks if you like. You can plan ahead your delivery, I think like up to 12 weeks ahead of time. And also you can check the menus and pick stuff like a few weeks ahead as well. The variety of options was very good, and they also have vegetarian options and gluten-free options. There might be a couple of other ones. You can specify a little bit what kind of a diet that you prefer when you choose your meal plan. So my first one is Cuban spiced steak, and here I think is my bag for this one. The meat, as I showed you, is packed individually on the bottom. So I have, again, it's for 2 portions. So I have like 2 pork medallions here. And let's take a quick look at what is in the bag. So yeah, it's like exactly portioned. Like 1 green onion. Here we have our Cuban steak spice blend. We have 2 little Kirby cucumbers. Let's see, we have 1 orange. We have 1 lime. And we have a mango. Could probably use 1 or 2 days on the counter until it's ripe. And some rice. Oh, and 1 garlic clove. And you get your vegetables, your meat, and your rice or potato or whatever. So it's 1 complete meal that you have from A to Z. And this is for 2 people, 2 portions. So for me, it'll be 2 different nights. My next recipe that I'm going to unbox is a pork banh mi. It's those Vietnamese sandwiches, which are really, really good. The picture looks pretty awesome on the description. And this is the one that comes here. So again, we have our ground pork that's pre-packaged. And okay, in this one we have the 2 ciabatta breads that come with it. We have our pork. We have just enough cilantro or coriander, whatever you like to call it. And we again, we have 2 cucumbers for this one and lots of carrots. Oh, and I like, this is fun. They got those like colored carrots. There's yellow, orange, and purple. So that's fun for variety. And again, a lime. A little bit of brown sugar, and even they have these great little containers for stuff. We have mayonnaise, rice vinegar, sriracha, again 1 garlic clove, and some fish sauce. And here we have part of a daikon root, which is like an Asian radish. And oh, we have a 2nd clove of garlic. And my last recipe, my 3rd one, is a smoked paprika chicken with kale lollipops. So yeah, you know, I like ethnic food, obviously, foods from different countries. So see, I got a Vietnamese dish, I got a Cuban dish, and this is more like an Eastern European dish, so I'm very happy with that. Okay, this is spinach, it's not kale, so hopefully there actually is kale in here. And here we have our smoked paprika. Oh yes, and the chicken that came with it, it's 2 upper chicken thighs. They're all packaged. Today is the 21st of January, and it says the chicken is good up to the 25th. So I have 4 days to prepare this. Otherwise, it's better to put it in the freezer. And we have a can of chickpeas. We have some thyme, just enough herb for the recipe. Oh, here's the kale lollipops. And the last ingredient in here is a lemon. So I'm a big fan of trying out these subscription boxes once in a while. And again, I've been so curious about these meal kits. I like the concept of these food delivery service companies for somebody who's short on time or experience, can eat a lot healthier than you normally would. But yeah, we'll see if it's worth it financially, depending on your experience in the kitchen or your normal eating habits. I look forward to doing a video of these meal preps. I hope you're really curious to find out how these are going to turn out as well. So stay tuned. The follow-up final cooking and review video will come shortly. Let me know if you have any questions about these meal kits in the meantime, and let me know if you have any experience with them. Have you ordered these food service meal kits already in the past, and what do you think about it? So I don't know which recipes to start with tonight, but I am going to head to the kitchen now and start cooking. I will see you very soon, and this is Evelyn reminding you to always eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Bye, see you soon.